Okay, here's question 2 on the November Higher Non-Calculator paper. Now let's read the question first. It says, the scatter graph, so I know it's sort of dealing with scatter graph, I'm thinking about that topic in my head as I'm doing it, shows information about the height and the arm length of each of 8 students. So 8 students in year 11. Let's just check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, there are 8 students, 8 crosses on there. The first part of the question, part A, says, what type of correlation does the scatter graph show? Well, okay, just looking at the scatter graph, this is the general trend that they're following. They're going upwards. All right, so I've just put the pencil over the points, right, and it's going upwards. That's called a positive correlation. So I could just write positive there, and it's a positive correlation. Okay, this question occupies the whole page, so I'm going to have to move it upwards a bit. Alright, if we look at the next part of the question, it says a different student in year 11 has a height of 148 centimeters. So a different student in year 11 has a height of 148 centimeters. Estimate the arm length of the student. Okay, this is pretty standard in these types of questions. What they basically want you to do is to draw the line of best fit and then use the line of best fit to help you identify the height of somebody who's 148 centimeters tall. So identify the arm length of somebody who's 148 centimeters tall. So I'm just trying to position that as accurately as I possibly can. It needs to go through the center of most of the points, and yeah, that's okay. You never get a perfect line of best fit, and everyone's answer is liable to be slightly different. 148 centimeters. So going on to my graph, 148, that's 150, 148 is over there, and I'm going to go up and across, so up to there, and then across. Now I need to read off that value. Now that is 148. Going across, that's 181, 2, 3, 4. 184. So, sorry, not 184, just 84. That value there is 84. So the answer to part 2 is going to be 84 centimeters. A lot of people aren't aware. You're going to get a mark for the line of best fit, so make sure you do put that in. And then put in 84, reading off these lines, which I suggest you leave in as well, will guarantee you getting as many marks as possible in this question. Make sure you review it, and make sure you know how to do it if you get a similar one.